Hello, welcome back to free fall accelerated motion problems. In our next problem, it says a bird catches a fish by diving from a great height. The bird is motionless in the air, and then it dives and it hits the water at a velocity of 32 meters per second. What height did it dive from? So it's one of those things, just like always, you have to draw what's presented in the problem, and then we're going to use our equations of motion to figure it out, and it's going to be the exact same logic as before, because these equations of motion, as we already said about 20 times, are the same ones that we've used before. It's just now we're going vertically, so the acceleration is g. All right, negative 9.8. So what we have is a situation where we have a bird in the sky. That's a bird. I guess you could say it's a McDonald's sign. I'm going to say it's a bird. All right, and then down below here is like some water, and in the water is a fish. So when a bird is up motionless in the sky, then it dives. Essentially, gravity is going to be the thing pulling it down. We're not saying it's flapping and trying to pull itself down. We're saying that it dives and gravity takes it down, right? Now later on, I guess I should draw this as water, right? There's some fish in there, or a fish in there. And what we have over here is at a later time, the bird gets basically to the surface of the water. So the thing to kind of remember about this is always when the motion starts, from the free fall motion basically starts at the top, we have a situation where this is the initial position, y naught, and it's equal to 0. So as the bird goes down, we're going to have negative positions, meaning the negative direction is down, positive direction is up, so we're going to have some negative value for the y value as it gets down below. Now the initial velocity when the bird is in the sky, it says the bird is motionless in the air and then it starts its dive. So the initial velocity is also equal to 0 meters per second. All right, so that's about what we know in the starting point. And then when the bird gets down to the bottom, what do we know?